Yeah, I think having Morgan in the lineup, you saw what it does for Stewie. You know, just having another player in the lineup that can stretch the defense a little bit, that can pass the ball. You know, if you get somebody in there with Stewie that's going to make a couple threes, you know, get people out of the lane, feed the post a little bit, you know.
It helps a lot. I think that, you know, especially like when we went big lineup tonight, you know, gives me an opportunity to have a lot of mismatches. And, you know, if she's someone who can knock down outside shots and same time post up, it's just another person with versatility.
Well, I think like today it kind of takes some of the pressure off of her. I know in the Stanford game, all the pressure's on Stewie, and we just were looking at Stewie to just save the day for us. And so I think now when we're out there together, you know, I'm trying to relieve pressure for her. Because she makes it easier for us when she's out there because, you know, we're more open. You know, people are open for threes and layups and things like that. So I think if I could just return the favor and, you know, try to make it easier on her, then I've done my job.